Hi, friends. Good day, and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today, we're going to learn how to get an output of multiple columns using the VLOOKUP formula. Very often, we've used the VLOOKUP and are able to extract just one column at a time, and that is a problem when you need multiple column output from the same data set. We end up, repeating the same formula, adjusting column numbers, etc. on it, but there is a really simple way to get the same output just using the formula once, and that's what we will explore today. So without much ado, let's go ahead and get started. What I have today here is a data set of the first name, last names, the country they reside in, of a few folks, the companies they work in, and the car models they own and the color of the cars. Using this small data set, we're just going to explore how to uh, get the relevant column outputs. In this case, I want the car color, and the company name, each one of them are owning and operating in. As you also see, I have the column structure is slightly changed, right, from how it is in the data set. So we're just going to go about and see how to get that data in. Right. So I'll quickly get started. I'm going to use the formula equal to VLOOKUP. I'm looking for the first name over here in this table out here. Now here's the difference, right? Typically you would type in the column number. You would end up uh, typing a 5, comma, 0, etc. Right? But in this case, what we will do though is the car column is the fifth column. I'm going to open up a curly bracket. As you see, I'm going to put in 5, put in a comma. Column 6 is my car color. That's going to be column 6. And finally, the company name is my third column, which is in column 4. I'm going to use that and close the curly bracket, comma, 0. And that really is how simple it is to get the same output. You see that there? John owns a Skoda, blue Skoda in and works in TCS, right? So let's find that out here. Yeah, it's TCS Skoda Blue, and it's just the way as you see it. All you have to do is double click or drag it down, and the same formula will get applied to all of them over here. Now, of course, this is also equally flexible in terms of which columns and how you structure it. If you want it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And the sequence of order is going to be exactly in terms of what reference you give in the curly brackets, right? So if you want it in order, that's the order you will give it. If you want it in a separate order, respective columns, that's how you will do it over there. So just keep that in mind, and I think this should be really easy for you next time going forward. Well, I do hope you found this useful. Take care and have a good day. Thank you.